Is English speaking ability still important now that we have AI technology?
For me, it's always important. You need to connect with people.
Definitely. It's even much more important. All kind of English skills, speaking, readings, writing. 99% of the knowledge in the world it's English. So if you cannot read or English, or write English, it's kind of difficult to learning new stuff. For example, like books, right? If you wait for it to be translated, maybe 2 years, way too long. So I think the English skills is extremely important.
When it comes to communication, it's not just language. It's the ability to be able to communicate intimately, I would say. It's not like I say something to translator and I translate to you. It's like robots talking to you. Be able to say it yourself, listening to someone by yourself, it definitely make communication more effective and more enjoyable.
It's important that you have to input things in English so the AI will work better. It's not about you have to be able to speak English very fluently, you have to write articles like essay, but it's about finally how you can utilize things around you, which requires English.